have some more breaking news coming in, viewers. This in regards with the Liquorgate probe. We've learned that the Enforcement Directorate has filed a 224-page supplementary charge sheet, and the court will be hearing on taking cognizance of the charge sheet on the 13th of May. So remember, the trouble hasn't anywhere gone out in the picture for Arvind Kejriwal. He is on a 20-day bail. He is on an interim bail. It's a temporary relief. But meanwhile, the ED has filed a charge sheet against Arvind Kejriwal, which the court will take note of on the 13th of May. It's a 224-page supplementary charge sheet that the ED has filed against Arvind Kejriwal, who is right now on an interim bail. He's set to be released for 20 days from Tihar jail. My colleague Aqil Jamil is joining us live from outside Tihar jail now. Aqil, we're told that there is a charge sheet that has been filed by the Enforcement Directorate, and the court will take cognizance of it also.
Well, absolutely. This is the latest development that is coming up right now. And if you see it, the ground situation, I'm just standing outside the Tihar jail where Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, Delhi Chief Minister, is languished since his arrest. Because if you see the entire case background, Mr. Kejriwal was arrested by the ED, by the Enforcement Directorate on March 21st. Since then, he's been languished in this jail. And right now, if you see some of the workers, our workers have arrived over here. Some Aam Aadmi Party leaders, including Rajya Sabha MPs and some MLAs have also arrived over here. Right now, I'm joined by one of the local leaders who is a Janakpuri region leader. अच्छा, मुझे ये बताइए कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को आज इंटरिम रिलीफ सुप्रीम कोर्ट की तरफ से मिल गया है। आम आदमी पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता और नेता होने के तौर पर किस तरीके से देखते हैं?
ना केवल आम आदमी पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता, ना केवल आम आदमी पार्टी के नेता, आज अरविंद केजरीवाल जी की जो बेल हुई है उसकी खुशी पूरी दिल्ली में है, पूरे भारत में है। आज सभी लोग उत्साहित हैं। हम लोग कह रहे थे कि इन्होंने अरविंद जी को जो है।
So here you see there's a lot of excitement and vigor and enthusiasm among Aam Aadmi Party leaders and workers, and they are here to welcome their leader, because he's not only a star campaigner for the Aam Aadmi Party as well, because he's the one who is going for different parliamentary constituencies to campaign and request for the voters to vote for the Aam Aadmi Party. Yes.
Right. In fact, Riyanka is also joining us live from outside Aam Aadmi Party's headquarters. Now, Riyanka, of course, there is some sort of relief for Arvind Kejriwal, but, this is not the time to party for the Aam Aadmi Party Supremo or the workers, because he is out for 20 days. This is something that he has got some chance to campaign for his party. There are several of the conditions that have been laid out, and there's also ED filing a charge sheet. At the same time, there is a parallel CBI investigation that's also going on against Arvind Kejriwal and the entire Liquorgate scam.
That's right. The heat is not lowered for the Aam Aadmi Party convener and the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who has been currently given an interim relief from the Supreme Court. He has been given this relief till the 1st of June, and he has to surrender back once again on the 2nd. Now, several developments are taking place parallelly with the preparations that are being made for Kejriwal to come out, to walk out from the Tihar jail on the interim relief. Well, we know that there has been a supplementary charge sheet that has been filed by the Enforcement Directorate, and that has been filed at the Rouse Avenue Court today. It is a long charge sheet, nearly 224-page charge sheet, and the court has agreed to hear the matter on the 13th of May. So that day as well, there will be several developments that will be taking place. As of now, we also know that there are several, things that needs to be considered, which has been told by the Supreme Court. It had also mentioned previously that Kejriwal will not be able to carry out any official duties while he is, in fact, out on the interim bail. Let us get you some of the details of that. The court says he shall not visit the office of the Chief Minister and the Delhi Secretariat, which means he cannot take part in any official work of the running of the Delhi government. He has to, in fact, pay, a bail bond for sum of 50,000 rupees. He shall be bound by the statement made on his behalf that he shall not sign any official files unless it is required and necessary for obtaining clearance approval of the LG Party, he will not make any comment with regard to his role in the present case. Well, he is not allowed to make any comments in terms of the present case of the excise policy. And also, he will not interact with any witness as well. So several things have been laid down for the Aam Aadmi Party convener and Delhi
Right.
Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. He is only allowed to campaign till the 1st of June. Over to you.
Absolutely. Right, Riyanka and Akhil, I'd like to thank you both. We'll keep a track of developments coming in as Arvind Kejriwal will be released